You wishes to inform your Google account name and associate profile picture to the owner of the YouTube channel, which channel you want to subscribe. How is it possible? Only one way to do this. You have to subscribe a channel publicly. In this video, I will show you how can do it. At first, open YouTube application. At the top right hand corner, click on your profile picture. Also click on settings. This will open up such a window. Left hand corner, select privacy. Under playlist and subscription section you can see keep all my subscription private. Click off. This setting change will automatically saved. Thanks for watching. See you next video.